Okay, pasensya na natin yung mga boses. Dalang sa fiesta.
Na-fiesta po sa kuya.
Nag-concert pa.
Yes, at the concert. Yes, fresh from the Philippines.
Okay, sa Johnny Malalan.
No, kay, ano po, dito po kay...
Well, you have a great voice. The only thing is that I would like to advise you, if you're gonna pick the song, ito mababa lang. Kasi you're trying to reach with a very high pitch, but it becomes like yung falsetto na. And also the song should be go together with your body, motion. You know what I mean? The motion. When you sing.
Kuya, walang uminom ka. Nervous ka? Nervous ako.
I hope you will win. Okay, I'm not going only this songs will be Thank you very much.
Thank you. Correct. Okay.
Dati ko,
Parang hindi
dati ko
ako
sa banda ako, kaya pala na mga galing mo. Gusto ko yung boses mo, galing. Bagay sa mga ganong kanta. So, give it up mo.
Okay? And for our Miss Duananin, Miss Baby.
Joanna, how are you? How old are you?
12 years old.
12.
Wow.
Wow. Give it up for Joanna. She's too busy to do her gardening today. That's why she brought her flowers along with her. In a bag. No, seriously. I love the confidence, your voice. You've got an awesome voice, and you know it just shows that you've been doing a lot of homework. You've been doing your homework to enter this competition. You know the eye contact, stage presence, everything is there. Keep it up, girl. You go.
Thank you. There you have it from our judges. Okay, now we would like to acknowledge once again our sponsors. Uno UFC. Uno UFC. At tingnan nyo, kung gusto nyo bumili ng chicharon, ng ulam, ng ulam kayo, tumawag, punta kayo kay Mami Lilian. Kumon!
Joke eh.
4 points. You were right. Ano ba? Ano ba?
Kasi dapat nag-advertise kung paano kasi Messi.
Okay.
Donalyn, punta ka doon kinatutok kita, baby.
May mga problema dyan sa kanila.
Punta ka doon, ano sila ng wine.
Hindi po yung loud.
Akong bag ha.
So, saan? Sa lang. Yung mga kababayan natin. Alam mo, wala kang mic. Punta lang tayo sa ating event.
Yung mic mo daw namatay. May stress.
Masyado na-stress. Okay, my test.
Nakaka-stress. Ano?
Yun na, sabi ko siya.
Ang puso.
Okay, pumunta lang kayo kay Miss Nelia Lano or kay Edgar Reyes para kung sa mga gusto kumanda ng hotel. Yan ha, kanila ina-advertise.
Naka-advise. Oy, naka-advise din kaya yung nag-laptop. Okay. So now, tuloy-tuloy na tayo.
Tuloy tayo.
Tapusin natin. Award na siya. Third batch.
Last batch.
Sabihin mo muna kung ano yung mga prizes.
Ay, naku.
Prizes. Ano yung prizes? Nandito eh. Dali. Suspense.
Suspense. Ang ating prizes for
Ay, si Michael, that's that pen.
third prize.
Light daw, light.
Nice. Okay. Okay, third prize.